for then okay, if you say $100 is too much, let's say earning $10 per minute online. It's an ambitious goal that typically requires specialized skills, strategic planning, and leveraging scalable opportunities. Also, there are several avenues, okay, to consider when doing all this stuff. Number one, I give you like freelancing and consulting. Freelancing and consulting, offering specialized services such as graphic design, programming, or digital marketing, can command high rates. Do you get? Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, they connect freelancers with clients seeking specific expertise. All right, you need specific expertise for all this. For instance, now you are completing a $600 project in an hour. It equates to like $10 per minute. Success in this area depends on you building a strong portfolio and a reputation online. For you to be able to get great success in this stuff, you need what? Strong portfolio. You need reputation. Number two, online tutoring and coaching. You can do online tutoring and coaching to make money. You do that per minute to make money. If you possess expertise in a particular subject, for instance, offering tutoring or coaching services, okay, they can be lucrative. All right, tutors in specialized subjects or test preparation can charge premium rates. In all these things that you do, tutoring, coaching people online, you can you can generate revenue online. Like 1 minute you can get $10. Do you understand? There are websites like tutor.com. They facilitate connections between tutors and students. Then number three, digital product sales. Selling digital products such as ebook, online courses, like I've said before, or software, they allow for scalable income. Once developed, these products can be sold. Okay, they can be sold repeatedly with minimal additional effort. Platforms like Teachable, Gumroad assist in distributing digital products. Number four, affiliate marketing. I've spoken about affiliate marketing before. It's the same thing. You just keep doing promotion on businesses and services or products. You do it, you can generate commissions on all that stuff. With substantial online presence, you must be online all the time. It is possible to earn significant income like that by recommending products for your audience. Success required by building trust and providing valuable content. Number five, content creation and monetization. Okay, number five, content creation and monetization. Okay, when you're building a following on platform like YouTube or TikTok and monetizing through ads, sponsorships, or mechanism, this can be profitable. High engagement and quality content are crucial for attracting monetization opportunities. You understand? When you do all these things, you can get money. Then online survey and micro tasks, all these ones bring some money. So why you are generally lower paying? Okay, so platform offers tasks that can be completed quickly for small payments. For example, Inbox Dollars provide opportunity to earn by completing offers. If you don't complete a survey, they won't pay you money. With all these things that you keep doing online, you can be generating money. $10 per minute. Achieving $10 per minute online is challenging and often requires a combination of high demand skills, strategic marketing, and scalable business model. It's essential to approach such opportunities with realistic expectations and be wary of schemes promising you quick money, quick riches, with minimal effort. It is not easy. Check the Elon Musk, check Mark Zuckerberg. Before they get all this their money, they see they're making 1 minute $100 or 4 million every minute. It's not an easy something, and it's not something that they just started making right now. They've been doing it for ages. Okay, so before you start making $100 per minute, you must have started from somewhere, and it's just step by step, gradually you will earn $100 per minute. Now I got some list of credible sites that will earn you money. Okay, the swag box. Okay, and how it works: you earn points by completing survey, watching videos, playing games, and shopping online. All right, the link to this site is in my description. Then number 2, you have inbox dollars. Okay, how does inbox dollars work? It's simpler to swagbox. You can get paid by taking survey, watching videos, and reading emails. You don't have to play games on this one. The link on this one also is in my description. Then we have Rakuten. Okay, Rakuten cashback when you shop online. When you are shopping online on Rakuten, they pay you. All right, the link on that is also on in my description. Then we have Fiverr. It offers freelance services such as writing, graphic design, or social media management. That is Fiverr. When you do those things, they pay you. All right, the link on Fiverr, it's in my description. There are so many. ClickBank, that one, it promotes affiliate products in various niches, and you earn a commission on every sale. The link also is in my description. Amazon Associate, it's also like you earn by commission. You earn a commission by promoting Amazon products on your website, your blog, or your social media. The link is in my description. Upwork also, the website of Upwork, how it works: you bid for freelance jobs in areas like writing, visual assistance, or design. The link also to this site is in my description. We have Twitch. How does Twitch work? You earn through ad revenue, subscriptions, or sharing while streaming, gaming, or other entertainment content. The link also to Switch is in my description. You have user testing. How does user testing works? You earn money by testing websites and app and providing feedbacks. When you test apps, you have to provide feedback on user testing. This link also is in my description. Then there's Honeygain. You earn massive income by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. Also, that link is in my bio. All these platforms provide accessible ways for ordinary individuals to earn money. All right, you click on all these links. They are all in my description. And thank you very much. When you do all this, you generate money online. Don't follow those $100 per minute, all of a sudden quick money that you might not fall victim with to scammers. Okay, thank you very much for your time, and don't forget to like and share. You can drop your opinions and whatever you have to say on the comment section, and also hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much, and happy new year to you all.